Hello, and welcome to the Web Meta Global YouTube channel. We've got some exciting updates to share about iOS 17. What changes should you know about in iOS 17? Here's a rundown for you. 1. By tapping the new plus button, you can view photos, voice messages, and locations all in one place. 2. The status check feature allows your loved ones to see where you're headed. 3. Combine search filters to quickly narrow down results and find the message you're looking for. 4. You can now share your location within the chat whenever you want. 5. Yes, indeed. The best feature of Apple's iOS 17 is here. Voice messages can be converted into text. 6. You'll be able to create custom stickers from your own photos. 7. You can send video and voice recordings with FaceTime. iOS 17 brings a slew of new features that set it apart from its competitors. Incredible changes have been made, and it seems like it will satisfy iPhone users in terms of user experience. Apple has simplified the command to summon the voice assistant Siri for iPhone and other Apple devices. Now, users only need to, if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.